Here we are then, the new project, a 1994 BMW F650 Funduro, and it's even the same colour as the last bike. Yep, it's a BMW and it's red, but these little single cylinder F650s are really punchy little bikes. 650cc Rotax engine, very small and light, but quite punchy when they're in good condition. Now this bike, as you can see, needs quite a bit of work, which is why I bought it, because I don't want to buy a bike that's in excellent condition, because there is no point. It does run, the guy has had it running, but he's not happy with how it runs. So obviously we need to do a little bit of research to find out what it needs, but the thing's going to come completely to pieces in order to be restored totally. The good thing, one of the good things about this, Renthal bars, look, but one of the good things is it's got low mileage. It's only done 28,000 miles, and it's essentially got the opportunity for being a really nice bike. New tyres on it, quite a few new bits and pieces that somebody has fitted who's owned it before. Not only have you got the Renthal bars, but you've got an upgraded rear shock. Front brakes are in good condition, rear brakes are in good condition. All the bits and pieces like the exhaust are all in excellent condition. Somebody's even put stainless bolts in. Virtually every bolt is stainless, so somebody's actually liked this bike. But hopefully we can actually turn it into something which is as good as new. These bikes are really nice to ride. I like riding these. I've had one before, and the probability is once it's finished I should probably be up and running and riding it all over the place. Look forward to getting involved. The first job obviously is to strip it and then to ride it into the sunset. "28,000 miles, look.